Dong sat cross-legged on his and Jungkook there shared with them and their dog eyes glittering with curiosity as he leaned closer to Jungkook. Dong, so now that we are alone, tell me, what do you want for your birthday present, Cookie? Just say it and I will bring it to you. Jungkook didn't answer immediately. Instead, he shifted closer, the mattress dipping under his weight until he was right in front of Dong. He smiled mischievously. Without a word, Jungkook reached out, cupping Dong's cheek and pressed a fluttering of kisses across his face, his forehead, his nose, his temple, lingering at the corner of his lip. Jungkook, Young, do you know how happy I am? I finally turned 19 this year, and the best part is I get to spend it right here with you. Jungkook's lips stopped right, their trial, his movement freezing as his eyes dropped to Dong's mouth. For a moment, he just stared, silent, and Dong could feel his gaze heavy and burning on his lips. Dong didn't push him away. He didn't even speak. Just sat there, letting Jungkook do whatever he wanted, whatever it was, stirring or kissing on face. Dong, Jungkook, Young, I wanna kiss you. Dong dictated his head slightly, bros. You are already kissing me, Cook. Jungkook shook his head, a faint pout forming on his as he raised a finger and tapped it gently against Dong's lips. No, not this. I wanna kiss you here. Dong's breath loosened, his eyes widened a little at the boldness. Cookie, you can't kiss her. Only lovers kiss her. But Jungkook's eyes were full of raw honesty that made Dong's chest tighten. Just was Young. They invite me every time I look at you. They attract me so much. I just wanna see how it feels to kiss them. I wanna quench my thirst. Just once. I wanna calm my mind. It keeps telling me to kiss them. Dong's swallowing heart throat died. After a long pause, he whispered, okay, just once. Jungkook's entire face lit up, happiness flooding his expression as though he had just been given the word, okay. But Dong quickly added, his tone serious. Promise me, you won't ask again? Jungkook nodded eagerly through his eyes still sparkled. I won't ask again, Young. Promise. Jungkook leaned in slowly, hesitant as if afraid Dong would change his mind. At the last second, his heart pounded so loudly in his chest, he was sure Young could hear it. Dong stayed still, his eyes fluttering shut, lips parting even so slightly. He could feel Jungkook's warm breath brushing against his mouth, carrying the faint sweetness of the cake they had just eaten earlier. Then softly, like a whisper, Jungkook pressed his lips against Dong's. It was shy, trembling, full of innocence. He didn't push too hard or rush. Instead, he lingered, savoring the way Dong's lips were under his own, warm, soft, addictive, in a way he had only imagined. Dong's finger curled into the bed sheet, fighting the urge to move, to respond, to pull Jungkook closer. His heart screamed to kiss back, but he held himself back, letting Jungkook have the moment, letting him explore as much as he wanted. Jungkook closed his eyes, letting lighter, pressing another gentle kiss, then another, like he couldn't stop himself. His lips brushed and lingered clumsily yet tender, filled with all the emotion he didn't know how to put it in words. For Dong, every second felt like forever, watching his dad son, now a grown man, pouring so much innocent affection into a single kiss. And so he simply let Jungkook kiss him for as long as he wanted, until his heart was satisfied. Jungkook didn't pull away, his lips stayed pressed against Dong's, trembling at first, but slowly finding courage. He kissed gently, then paused, then just to breathe, only to lean in again. Like he couldn't get enough. His hand, which had been resting nervously on his lap, lifted on their own. One came to cube Dong's cheek, thumb brushing lightly across his skin, while the other held onto his shoulder, as if ensuring himself in the moment. So soft. Jungkook thought, his heart rushing. Young lips are so soft, better than anything I imagined. He kissed again, longer this time, pressing a little firmer, then pulling back just to breathe, before kissing once more. It wasn't perfect, it wasn't paradise, practiced, but it was pure. Every small moment carried the joy of finally having something he had craved quietly for so long. Tong sat still, his lashes lowering, guilty. Shankuk warm spread over him, his heart thudded painfully against his lips, every instinct telling him to kiss back. But he restrained himself, letting Jungkook take everything he wanted. Jungkook's lips lingered, brushing again and again, as though afraid that if he stopped the moment or vanished. He sighed softly against Tong's mouth, almost like a content shot. The spark behind it was something deeper, something he was just beginning to discover. Just once, he had said, but as his lips moved tenderly over Tong's, Jungkook realized that one kiss would never be enough. Still, he kissed it like it was the only one he could ever get. Slow, innocent, cherishing every second, pouring all his birthday happiness into it. At last, after what felt like forever, Jungkook's lips lowered. He pressed one final lingering kiss against Tong's mouth before pulling back just slightly, their forehead still touching. His face rose and fell quickly, breath uneven, cheek flushed pink. His eyes fluttered open, wide and shining, as he looked at Tong like he had just touched the star for the first time. Jungkook, young, he whispered, voice shaky but full of wonder. It felt like better than I thought. He bit his lower lip, unable to stop the shy smile spreading across his face. His hand were still resting on Tong's, one on his cheek, the other gripping his shoulder as if he couldn't quite let it go. Tong stayed quiet, his throat tired, his lips still tingling from Jungkook's innocent, determined kisses. He wanted to smile, wanted to scold, wanted to hug, but instead he just watched the boy in front of him. The boy who wasn't a child anymore, growing like he had just been given the word. Jungkook laughed, slipped out, soft and breathless, as he leaned forward harder against Tong. Thank you, Young, for letting me. The morning light slipped gently into the room through the thin curtains, brushing over the two figures curled up on the shaded bed. Jungkook stared first, blinking away the sleep. Took him a second to realize where he was, snuggling closer against his Youngie, his face pressed to Tong's chest, their link tangled. Jungkook smiled shyly as his heart skipped. It fell asleep like this, with Young. He tilted his head up and almost burst into laughter. Tong was still fast asleep, his lips parted, breathing soft and steady. Even in his sleep, he looked so beautiful. Jungkook, Ash, Young, you are so embarrassing, he whispered with fondness. Jungkook stiffened his giggle as he leaned up carefully, trying to close Tong's mouth with his hand. But Tong's lips kept parting again, stubbornly but soft. After a small struggle, Jungkook finally managed to gently press his finger against Tong's chin and keep his lips shut. He giggled. They're much better, he whispered, but then his gaze lingered. Those same plumpy lips from last night, the one that had left his heart racing, were right in front of him again. His smile slowly faded, replaced by something else. That familiar urge to pull him, kiss them again. I promise, I just said once. Jungkook thought wrestled, but the more he stared, the more his chest ached. But Tong's lips, they are so pretty, too inviting. Just one more time, Young won't even know. Before he could stop himself, Jungkook leaned closer, his heart hammering in his ear, his breath mingled with Tong's as he hovered over. His lips brushed softly against those plump, parted one. Once again, the kiss was with a light stolen, yet full of some wonder, as last night. Jungkook pressed his mouth gently against Tong's, savoring the forbidden sweetness he couldn't resist. Jungkook pressed his lips a little firmer, eyes fluttering shut as he laid himself down in the warmth for just a moment longer. His heart raced. Just one more, Young, just once more. But then a soft sound broke the silence. Tong stared, his lashes fluttering open slowly, lazily with sleep, only to find Jungkook's face hovering dangerously close. His lips pressed against his own. For a heartbeat, Tong froze, still half asleep, trying to process whether he was dreaming. But then Jungkook's wide, guilty eyes snapped open, realization flooding his face. He jerked back slightly, panic rushing through him. Jungkook, Young, but Tong had instinctively lifted, catching his wrist before he could retreat further. Cookie, you promised it. Jungkook's face flooded red instantly, his word trembling in a rush. I know, I'm sorry, Young. I couldn't help it. Your lips, they keep inviting me. Thong eyes softened at Shankuk's honesty. Thought he felt betrayed. His eyes shifting up on the pillow, their faces still so close. Thong, Ash, this kid, you really won't know what you're doing to me. Cook Bingley startled, his heart skipped at those words. Tong sat up a little, rubbing his eyes with his free hand while still holding Shankuk's wrist. His lips curved into a faint frown, though it lasted by any real anger, more like a helpless kind of affection. Tong, you little brat, you promised me, didn't you? Just once. Jungkook had dropped immediately, his ears burning red. He fidgeted, patting down his lower lip like a child cock stealing candy. I know I did, Young, but I woke up and saw you. You were right there, sleeping so cutely with your mouth open. I tried to close it, but he scratched the back of his neck nervously. Your lip, they wouldn't leave my mind. I couldn't stop myself. Thong exhaled slowly, trying to sound stern, but the corner of his mouth betrayed him, twitching as he holding back a smile. Echo, what am I supposed to do with you? You are only 19 and already stealing kisses from your young, like it's nothing. Jungkook looked up at him, eyes wide, pleading, like a puppy, desperate not to be kicked away. Young, please don't be mad. I just wanted to feel it again. Just being close to you makes me happy. Just because they will keep on inviting me, Youngie. I'm so sorry. Cookie is sorry. Tong ruffled Jungkook's messy made hair with a sigh. I'm not mad, Cookie. Just don't make a habit out of it, alright? You will get yourself in trouble. But despite his words, Tong didn't push Jungkook away. He let the boy stay curled against him. Jungkook said naturally, finding its place against Tong's chest again. As Tong had rested on the younger's back, he thought silently, if only you know how badly I wanted to kiss you back. Tong leaned back against the headboard, one arm rapidly slid down Jungkook. The younger wasted no time snuggling closer, curling into Tong's chest like it was the safest place in the world. Jungkook's voice was muffled against his shirt, but Tong heard the smile in it. Young, you are so warm, better than any blanket. Tong shook less softly, patting his head. Is that so? Then maybe I should start charging you rent for using my as a pillow. Jungkook immediately shook his head, clenching tighter, his arm wrapping around Tong's waist. No, wait. I'm not paying anything. This is my spot. Tong rolled his eyes but didn't move him. Instead, he let his chin rest lightly on top of Jungkook, shifting slightly, tilting his head up to Young. Did you know when I hug you like this, I feel like I can do anything. Like I am not just 19 anymore, like I am stronger. Tong's heart stared at the innocent confession. He stroked the back of Jungkook's neck. Cookie, don't grow up too fast, okay? Stay, my little one, a bit longer. But Jungkook only smiled, widening, nuzzling his cheek against Tong's chest. I will always be yours, Young, no matter how old I get. Tong shut his eyes for a second, letting those words sink into him, his grip on Jungkook unconsciously tightening. He wanted to laugh it off, to scold him lightly again, but instead he let the moment linger, the weight of Jungkook's innocent affection lifting the room like sunlight. After they had showered one by one, the members gathered in the dining area. The smell of the food filled the dorm, warm and homely. Jin, with Jimin helped preparing the full breakfast, kimchi, egg, rice, soup, and even a small cake left over from last night's celebration. Everyone's stomach growled in unison, but none louder than Jungkook's. The moment his eyes landed on the table, he rushed forward like an excited child, peeling food into his plate without hesitation. The other watched him with the fond smile, shaking their head at their younger's boldness, energy. Namjoon, there he goes again, our golden maknae, was laughing. It's seriously adorable watching him eat. He makes food look 10 times tastier. Their eyes softened unconsciously. When Jungkook was happy, they felt happy too. And when he was sad, it waited on all of them. That was how much he meant to the group. Tong came up behind him, smiling. He reached down and ruffled Jungkook's messy hair. Thong, eat slowly, Cookie. No one is stealing your food. Jungkook glanced up, cheeks stuffed and smiling with a mouthful. Thong was about to sit beside him when suddenly Jimin slid in, quickly lopping down on the empty spot at Jungkook's side with a playful grin. Jimin, this seat is mine. Thong blinked off guard before settling for the seat across the table instead. Jungkook froze for a second, his chopsticks hovering mid-air, pouting. He looked at Jimin sitting beside him, then at Thong across the table, and his mood changes. The Maknae smile dimmed as he shivered slowly, clearly not happy with the seating arrangement. Jungkook's chopstick hovered over his plate, but he kept glancing sideways at Jimin, whose arm occasionally stretched toward him, not offer a bite of food. Each time, Jungkook pouted and he pushed Jimin's hand away with trying not to be obvious, but everyone noticed. Jimin, hey, what's with the pushing Maknae today? Jungkook softened, crossing his arm and muttering something under his breath that no one could hear. Cheeks puffed, but Thong crosses the table. Finally cocked the ship in the youngest mode. His heart softened at the sight of Jungkook sulking like a stubborn child. He watched as Jungkook frowned, chopstick now forgotten, halfway to his mouth. Jungkook rested his chin on his hand, staring at Thong with big pouty eyes, silently broadcasting his depression. His bottom lips trembled slightly as he tried to look away, but only made his silent jealousy more noticeable. Thong, deciding the Maknae needed some attention, ruffled his hair again and leaning closer. Thong, oi, Cookie. By the long face, you are eating breakfast like you are plotting a full-blown protest. Jungkook blinked, looking up at Thong with wide, guilty eyes before letting out a small whine. Young, I wanted to sit next to you, not Jimin Shi. Thong's chest warmed at the confusion. He chuckled softly and patted Jungkook's shoulder, his fingers lingering to comfort him. Alright, next time your spot is severed, but for now, finish your breakfast, little brat. Jungkook pouted, finally softening. A tiny smile came to his lip as he leaned slightly forward. Thong, still keeping one eye on Jimin, but not less annoyed, assured by his young's attention. Jimin leaned back on his chair, looking at Jungkook, who was happily leaning toward Thong after finally feeling his young's attention. Wow, Cookie, you like your Thongy a little too much, don't you? Not me, Jungkook's eyes were wide, his chopsticks pressing mid-air, his face instantly turning bright and red. No, I don't, Young. I'm not like that, Jimin Young. Stop teasing me. Thong snorted, amused, and leaned over to ruffle Jungkook's hair. Let him tease you, Cookie. You have got that embarrassing face on again. It's adorable. Jungkook glared up at Thong's cheeks puffed out, but he couldn't stop a small smile coming on his lips. Jimin lingered, grinning. See, even Young knows it. You are glued to him all the time. Look at you, smiling like a fool over nothing. Jungkook, feeling both frustrated and cornered, dramatically dropped his head onto the table, letting out a groan. I hate you all, but I also love Young. The room erupted in laughter, and Thong couldn't help but shake his head, teasing back softly. Thong, I go, my little Maknae is hopeless. But fine, you are mine today, Cookie. Everyone is, just stay back. Jungkook picked it up, eyes shining with joy, and clung slightly to Thong's arm, proud of his young swaz. Jimin rolled his eyes playfully but didn't push it further, letting the moment longer to be the two of them. The backstage was buzzing with the energy as the members got ready for the day's shoot. Namjoon, the leader, reminded everyone that the director was calling. One by one they headed out, voices and laughter filling the hallway. But Thong stayed behind, noticing Jungkook lingering by the doorway, arms crossed, brows furrowed. Thong, Cookie, what's wrong? Jungkook's bottom lip trembled slightly and he clutched Thong's arm. You have a shoot with a girl. Thong rolled his eyes, a small exaggerated smile on his lips. Cookie, you are in the MV too. We all are. It's not just me, Jungkook. But you will touch her, he protested, voice high-pitched, eyes wide with worry. Thong, Yeah, that's the part of the scene, Cookie. Jungkook gripped tightly, clenching to Taeyong's arm. Can you not touch her? Taeyong sighed, frustrated. I can't, Cookie. That's the scene where I have to hug her. It's a part of the script. Jungkook's eyes went wide, and he stomped his foot softly on the floor, pout forming instantly. No, you won't hug her. You won't dare, or I will cry. Taeyong rubbed his back of his neck, exhaling slowly. He knew Jungkook looked ridiculously cute like this, but the frustration was real. Cookie, I can't complete your wish. Please try to understand. But Jungkook couldn't let go. He wrapped his arms tightly around Taeyong, putting his face in his chest. No, only hug me. Hug me as much as you want. But not her. Never her. Please don't hug her. Taeyong, heart twisted. The innocence in Jungkook's word, the raw emotion, it was pulling him in a direction he knew was dangerous. Not just jealousy, but something deeper than he could spiral out the control if he wasn't careful. He knew this was wrong. Wrong was wrong, and he had to set limit. Their future could be built on this impulse. He kept Jungkook's face gently, sighing, "Alright, Cookie, I won't hug her this time. Only you." Instead, relief washed over Jungkook's face, his eyes shining as he hugged Taeyong lightly again. Before Taeyong could react, Jungkook tasted a quick peek against his chin, whispering a little laugh. "Thank you, Taeyong." And just like that, he running out of the door, leaving Taeyong with a mix of frustration and affection and worry tangled in his chest. The set was buzzing with energy, cameras rolling, light adjusting, and everyone slipping into their role. Jungkook still glowing from the morning hug, excitement as he went through the lines, moving naturally that made him impossible to miss. Taeyong, meanwhile, found his gaze glued to the younger, ignoring the girl in the scene entirely. Every moment Jungkook made every small smile, every little gesture caught Taeyong's attention. His chest tightened in a way he couldn't explain. He was proud, happy, way he could, and more than a little obsessed all the once. Taeyong thinking, wow, he is really doing well. He is amazing. Look at him, Cookie. Just like this, would watch you all day. Meanwhile, Jin, Namjoon, Hoseok, Jimin, and Yoongi were all focused on the female lead, shaking angles, discussion choreography, and keeping the shoot moving. But Taeyong couldn't concentrate on anything except Jungkook, silently cheering him on with each line and movement. Jungkook smiled brightly at the camera, his eyes lingering up whenever he caught someone watching, though he had no idea how much he had Taeyong unwitting attention. Taeyong muttering under his breath, "You little brat, always making me forget the world around me." The scene rolled again. The girl approached Taeyong for the scripted hug, but once more, Taeyong's eyes were locked on Jungkook, who was performing nearby with such effortless charm that Taeyong's focused completely on him. He didn't move to hug her. Again and again, 4 takes passed, each one leaving the director incredibly irritated. "Director, Taeyong, cut. What are you doing? This is our scene. You are supposed to be hugging her, not staring off into the space." Taeyong blinked, snapping back to reality. He felt heat rising in his cheek, but his gaze instinctively flickered back to where Jungkook was, who seemed completely unaware of the chaos he had caused. Director frustrated. "We can't keep wasting time. You need to do your job, Taeyong." Taeyong, I know, I just... His voice trailed off, but the director's scolding cut him. Jungkook, sensing something is off, ran over. His eyes sparkled with excitement from performing, completely innocent, but his presence only made Taeyong's inner conflict worse. Taeyong thinking, frustrated, I can't hug her. Not now, not when Cookie is right there. But this is my job. I have to focus. I have to finish this scene. The director's glare bore into him like fire. Taeyong, enough excuses. This is unprofessional. This is professional work, not a playground. Complete your scene properly, or you are moving on without you. Taeyong clenched his face, torn between duty and his own heart. He could feel Jungkook's stare, completely innocent but utterly distracting, and he knew he had to make a choice. Focus on the work or let this feeling take over. The moment the director called it cut, perfect, take. The crew clapped, satisfied that the troublesome scene was finally done. Dong exhaled, relieved, but something in his chest felt heavy. He didn't even have to look far to understand why. Jungkook was standing a few feet away, his bright expression gone, lips pressed into a pout, eyes lowering. His hand were shoved deep into his pocket. When the shoot wrapped, Dong stared back for the some behind the scene commentary, flashing his usual boxy smile to the camera. Yet his gaze kept flickering to Jungkook, stood nearby, sulking. As soon as the camera stopped rolling, he made his way toward the younger boy, Dong smiling, trying to lighten the mood. Cookie, come here, my baby. Young did so well, right? He spread his arms for a hug, stepping closer, but Jungkook stepped back, pouting, his eyes glittering slightly from not from the tears but from hurt pride. Dong softly surprised him. He was wrong. Why are you backing away? Jungkook glared up at him, childlike frustration painting across his face. Why did you hug her? Dong sighing, rubbing his neck. Cookie, that was the part of the shoot. I had to. Jungkook lied. You said you wouldn't. You promised me, young. Dong froze, his throat tightening. He had said that just to calm him down. I didn't mean to break your promise, Cookie. It was just acting. Jungkook cutting him off. No, it wasn't just acting. You really hugged her. I saw it 2 times. You didn't have to hug her like that. He pushed Dong's chest. When the elder tried to step closer, once, twice, harder. The second time, his small hand trembling in frustration. Dong, Cookie, stop it. You are overreacting. Jungkook heard whisper. Then don't touch me. Either. You can hug her. You don't need to hug me. Before Dong could say another word, Jungkook turned it around and walked away. Quickly, he disappeared into the vanity van, leaving Dong standing there, guilt flooding through him. Dong muttering to himself, Ash, what am I supposed to do with you, Cookie? Inside the vanity van, Jungkook sat curled on the couch, knees pulled to his chest, staring at the window. The door opened softly behind him. Cookie, no reply. Jungkook didn't even turn his head. Dong sighed and stepped closer, his voice gentle this time. You are really mad at me, hmm? Stay silent. Dong sat down beside him, leaving a respectful gap. I didn't mean to break any promise, Cookie. It just happened. The director was already upset, and I couldn't make things worse for everyone. Jungkook lips pressed tighter, eyes glistening but stubbornly looking away. You could have told me before. I would have understood. I just didn't like watching you hold someone else young. His voice cracked slightly at the end. Dong's heart softened immediately. He smiled, tilting his head toward Jungkook. Dong, I go. My Cookie feelings got hurt because of one small scene. Jungkook, it wasn't small for me. That simple line silenced Dong for a moment. He reached out, hesitating, then gently patted Jungkook's head. Okay, then tell me what I should do to make it up to you. Finally, Jungkook looked up at him, eyes soft, a little watery. I'll forgive you, but on one condition. Dong, curiously, for what? Jungkook, you have to let me kiss your lips again. That froze, his heart thumping in his chest and his face heated up instantly. You want to again? Jungkook, yes. Jungkook said firmly, almost childishly, but there was a hint of something deeper behind his gaze. Only if you let me, then that's the condition. Tae's knees were weak, but he managed to small nod. Okay, if that's what tickets. Jungkook smiled widened, and before Tae could process anything, he leaned in. His lips were soft and gentle, brushing against Tae's like a whisper. Tae felt the tension melt away, replaced by the warmth that spread through him. When they pulled apart, Jungkook rested his forehead against Tae's. You forgive me too, right? Tae tried to pull back, cheeks blazing with heat, but Jungkook's small hand gently but firmly caught his wrist before Tae could fully react. Jungkook leaned closer again, his lips brushing Tae's again. Tae breathed, half warning, half pleading, his heart hammering in his chest. Jungkook blinked up at him with the same innocent, panicked kiss. I just want to kiss you. Is that okay? Tae's mind screamed at him to stop, to not give in, but his body betrayed him, already trembling under the soft pressure. Cook, we shouldn't. but Jungkook didn't understand all the chaos he was causing. With the tilt of his head, he pressed Tae gently back onto the couch, still kissing him soft and innocent, like he was offering comfort rather than realizing the storm inside Tae. Tae's hand hovered over Jungkook's shoulder, unsure whether to push him away or give in. Every soft brush of Jungkook's lip made it harder to resist, each kiss innocent in Jungkook's mind, but burning wildly in Tae's chest. He held back, gritting his teeth, trying to control the heat spreading through him, but Jungkook, blissfully unaware of Tae's inner tremor, kept kissing him slow, gently. Cook, Tae gasped, heart hammering. You don't know what you are doing. Jungkook pulled back just enough to blink up at him, innocent and eyes wide. Am I doing something wrong? Tae started. Wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. If anything, it was dangerously, deliciously right. He tried to resist, tried to focus on something, anything, but the soft warmth of Jungkook's lips, the tender way he held him close, made it impossible. Before Tae could catch his breath, Jungkook leaned in again, this time pressing a slightly firmer kiss to his lips. Tae's fingers twitched, but trying the urge to kiss him back, but he gritted his teeth, trying to stay composed. Jungkook didn't notice Tae's inner struggle. His kisses were innocent, brushing, picking, lingering, just enough to make Tae's heart race. Each press of his lips felt like a spark, a chance Tae couldn't control. Tae, I can't, Tae whispered, a mix of frustration and longing. But Jungkook just tilted his head, resting it against Tae's shoulder, murmuring softly, I just like the taste of them. So sweet, so plumpy, just like sherry. The confession, innocent as it was, sent Tae over the edge. His hand, without thinking, tangled in Jungkook's hair, pulling him slightly closer, not forcefully, just kneading him. Jungkook, still clueless, pressed his lips to Tae's again, soft and pure, while Tae's resistance slowly crumbling, adding that when with the world outside fading away, the line between innocence and desire blurred, leaving only the chaotic, breathless closeness of the two of them. The vanity van door swung open, and immediately the rest of the group stepped in, chatter and laughter filled the space, leaving Tae and Jungkook first with the other members, and they stared ahead,